Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Newton's laws of motion together, step by step. Newton's first law is all about inertia, the stubbornness of matter. An object sitting still wants to stay still, and an object already moving wants to keep moving in a straight line. Only an unbalanced force can change that state. This is why a seatbelt matters. When a car stops suddenly, your body wants to keep going. Force is the only thing that changes motion. The second law gives us a formula. Force equals mass times acceleration. Push harder, and an object speeds up more. Load it with more mass, and the same push barely moves it. The third law adds a twist. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you push on a wall, the wall quietly pushes back on you with exactly the same force. Suppose you push a shopping cart with a mass of 5 kilograms, using a force of 20 newtons. The second law says acceleration equals force divided by mass. So 20 divided by 5 gives 4 meters per second squared. Now imagine the cart is loaded heavier, say 10 kilograms. The same 20 newton push only produces 2. More mass, less acceleration. The relationship is wonderfully predictable. A rocket launch is the third law made spectacular. The engine throws hot gas downward at tremendous speed. In response, that gas pushes the rocket upward with an equal and opposite force. There is no air to push against. The rocket and the exhaust simply push on each other. That single reaction force is enough to carry it all the way into space. Here are Newton's 3 laws in a nutshell. First, objects resist changes to their motion, the law of inertia. Second, force equals mass times acceleration, linking push to movement. Third, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Together, these 3 rules explain everything from a rolling ball to a rocket. Learn them well, and the moving world starts to make sense. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.